Hi, I'm Public Affairs Specialist Stephanie Hirata with 5 fast things happening around the city you need to know. Starting us off at number 5, Scottsdale is seeking board and commission members. Residents wanting to volunteer and institute a positive change in their community are invited to apply to serve. Applications will be accepted until October 31st for openings on various boards and commissions, including Board of Adjustment, Development Review Board, Transportation Commission, and Judicial Appointments Advisory Board. The Judicial Appointments Advisory Board recommends to the City Council the best qualified persons to become full-time city judges, to evaluate the performance of incumbent full-time city judges, and to advise the City Council about retaining them in office. 2 citizen member positions are currently available on this board and are open to Scottsdale residents who are not judges in any official capacity, retired judges, nor members of the State Bar of Arizona. To view a complete list of current and future openings or to apply, visit scottsdaleaz.gov and search Boards and Commissions. Coming in at number 4, Scottsdale's Transportation and Streets crews wrapped up work on the Shea Boulevard paving project 5 days ahead of schedule. Construction took place overnight to minimize impacts to the public and maintain business access during typical work hours. 1,200 tons of asphalt were delivered to the job site each night, where 25 to 50 people worked on the project area, which covered 3 miles of Shea Boulevard from Scottsdale Road to 96th Street. And to top that off, no community concerns were voiced during the paving project. Next up at number 3, calling all boys and ghouls, Halloween Spooktracula returns to McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park. Stop by for a spell between 6 to 9:30 p.m. through October 31st as we transform the park into a haunted hamlet. This family-friendly event is perfect for kids of all ages. We'll creep it real with the featured event, a spooky train ride created with younger children in mind. A bit spooky, but not too scary. The event will feature limited capacity in 90-minute time blocks at 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. nightly. Learn more and purchase tickets at therailroadpark.com. At number 2, historic Old Town streetlight replacement is underway through November. The city is replacing streetlights throughout the historic Old Town district, beginning on Scottsdale Road from 2nd Street to Indian School Road. This improvement project will be completed by mid-November in staggered phases to minimize impacts to merchants and visitors and require limited lane parking and sidewalk closures on a block-by-block basis. Visit the project website for details at scottsdaleaz.gov, search Transportation Network Improvements. Wrapping things up at number 1, fall in love with Scottsdale Civic Center. Old Town Scottsdale proudly introduces the newly renovated Civic Center. This popular 24-acre outdoor space has been enhanced with more accessible and beautified walkways and quiet spaces to relax. Enjoy new public art, landscaping, and directional graphics, including 2 fan-friendlier concert and entertainment spaces, the East and West Bowls. Civic Center remains a hotbed for Old Town festivals and cultural experiences and is kicking it up a notch this fall with an impressive lineup of concerts and events. If you haven't seen the renovated Civic Center yet, you now have a growing list of reasons to visit. We continually update our fall calendar, check back often, find something new to love. Come see what all the love is about. Visit oldtownscottsdaleaz.com. And that's it for Scottsdale's Fast 5 for October. Thanks for watching.